Hello everyone and welcome back to Photo by Laurel, my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on the ESDDI lighting kit from Amazon. I bought this product at the start of quarantine for £115.49. This was because I was going to be home a lot and I'm a freelancer, I do photography amongst other things. And I really wanted to be able to create some high quality images from home and play around with a home studio, which I've always wanted. So I absolutely love this product. First of all, you can see how big the package was from my body size. And I'm about to go ahead and open it. One thing I do love is that it flat packs down like this, which is amazing for when you want to take this on location. I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon because of, COVID, but it's still great to know that all my equipment can fit into this bag. But I do have a photography cupboard and I absolutely do not pack it right, so I should probably start putting everything in the bag, so it's really good for storage in that sense. So as I've unpacked, you can see I've got 2 umbrella lights, I've got 3 backdrops, I've got 1 reflector, which I don't really need, but it's always good to have more than necessary. What I'm taking out now, that is the lights for the 4 lights that I've got. I've got 2 umbrella lights and 2 softboxes. And then the poles still in the bag are the stands for the lights. So this is how it was packed. I've just taken out the first 2 side stands and it came in this black bag here. So this is for the main backdrop. I'm just going to set this up. It's really easy to do. I think all in all it took me about an hour and a half to set everything up. So I think that's pretty easy, really quick. Obviously this is the first time I was doing it, so if I do it again, it's going to be a lot faster since that I know what I'm doing now. Another thing, it comes with 3 backdrops. You get black, you get white, and you get a green screen. Not that I will be using the green screen much, but it's always handy, and I'm planning on teaching myself how to use Adobe After Effects, so that should be good to experiment with. But I did try to iron this recently, and it burnt a little bit, so it's synthetic, which is why it's so cheap. But I think it's best to steam it. I did this in my last video, so you can check that out if you want. It's the Diana Ross Ebony Challenge video. But this is what it looks like. You've got the little screw tops, really easy to assemble. And there's also 2 extra poles that you can fit in. So it extends from 2.6 at the smallest to 3 meters wide. I don't exactly know how tall it is, but it's definitely bigger than the average person. And the backdrops obviously are long enough to reach the floor when it is fully extended to its full height. So this is me just fitting on the first backdrop. Super easy. I've got the 2 clips as well to extend it whenever I want and roll it out, and this is what it looks like. Super happy, but of course there's a lot of creases, so you absolutely will have to iron this if you're planning on getting it. I will put a link in the description as well to the product. It is an affiliate link, so that is also a way that you can support this channel if you do plan on buying it. So I get a small commission from each click. Now I'm putting up the softbox. I had to fast forward this a little bit because I just struggled for ages to actually fit the light in. It doesn't feel like it would go in, but it does. Yeah, all in all, that was easy to put up as well. It's also easy to pack down. I tried putting absolutely everything up and seeing how bright it was, and it was just far too bright for me. I don't think I'd ever need all of them at once. I think I only ever really use about 2, and I do a lot of product photography as well. But yeah, all in all, I'm super happy. The cables are all plug sockets, not USBs, so it's not that you can take it on location and use battery packs, but I do recommend it. It is from Amazon. It is £115.49. Link is in the description. You can also see a bunch of my other freelancer resources on my website. That link is also in the description. I'm looking forward to some more unboxing videos because I did buy a lot of little bits from Amazon that I think you might be interested. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't.